the gallery to view it.
The Compass Backpack is a stylish, secure, go-anywhere kind of backpack. Designed with comfort, versatility, and security in mind, the Compass Backpack keeps your valuables safe with its durable, slash-proof material, the combination zipper lock is TSA compatible, making it convenient for travel and commuting. With a secret pocket along the back, you can keep your valuables hidden away, and this special RFID protected pocket keeps your cards and data secure. It's also water resistant to help block out weather. With its versatile design, the Compass Backpack holds everything you need while you're on the go. The Compass Backpack is made out of organic cotton and recycled plastic bottles, making it not only one of the most durable bags on the market, but also one of the most eco-friendly. Find your way, no matter where you're headed. Back and share our project and stay the course with the Compass Backpack.
Meet UV Mask, the next generation reusable mask with powerful UVC sterilization technology that protects you from 99.99% of all dust, pollution, and airborne pathogens. All the air you breathe is sent through UM's patented sterile vortex. The ultra-high intensity UVC light instantly purifies and sterilizes the air 10 times faster than you can breathe. The first layer of protection is a replaceable air filter that blocks 95% of all particles larger than 0.3 microns, the same degree of protection as a N95 mask. The high-performance air filter provides excellent protection against pollution, smoke, and pollen, as well as particles released by sanding, painting, drywall, and fiberglass installation, woodwork, and gardening. While airborne pathogens smaller than 0.3 microns aren't efficiently blocked by any mask passive filter, UM's active UVC light neutralizes the ones that make it through, bringing total filtration efficiency to 99.99%. As pathogens pass through this sterile vortex, the UVC light breaks down their genetic material, neutralizing their ability to reproduce or transmit, ensuring real-time protection anywhere you go. Any air you breathe out is also sterilized, protecting the people around you. UV Mask medical-grade ergonomic silicone inner layer is soft against the skin. Wear it comfortably, however you choose, with its flexible strap styles. UV Mask creates a secure, airtight chamber that sits around your nose and mouth, making breathing easy, unlike traditional masks. Breathing air is natural. Breathing clean air is essential. Back UV Mask today and enjoy breathing in public again.
Trying to keep young kids entertained indoors is not fun. Playhouses are great, but they take up a lot of space. And if you're like us, you'd like to keep your home looking as little like a preschool as possible. We wanted something that was beautifully designed to inspire children's imaginations and could also pack down small and store away when playtime is over. From this idea, Indoor Kingdoms was born. We paid attention to every detail, both inside and out, to create a truly magical experience. The castle is made from a high-quality Oxford nylon that is soft to the touch and also super durable to withstand all those pokes, bumps, and bites. Plus, being an inflatable, it won't ding your walls, furniture, or kid's head. To keep your floors looking good, the bottom is made from a lightweight vinyl that is easy to clean and won't scratch hardwood. It's also great for grandparents, uncles, aunts, friends and family who really don't want their expensive couches and throw pillows turned into snot fortresses when the kids visit. The open design lets you keep an eye on everything, and if you want to get in yourself and play along, you're not crunched into an awkward position. Then, when everyone is done, just turn it off, throw it in the bag, and get your living room back. In order to meet our production partners' minimum order quantity, we need to make a lot of castles, so we need your help. We promise with your support, the next time you have a snow day, play date, sick day, or visit to Grammy's and your little ones start getting restless, we've got you covered.